Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how to enable or how to disable alarms in Do Not Disturb mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to open settings, and in settings you want to scroll and select the option notifications. Then from here tap on Do Not Disturb, and you want to scroll down until you find alarms and sounds. Tap on it. Then from here you should see the option alarms with the toggle next to it. So if it's turned on like this, it means that you've enabled alarms even when your phone is in Do Not Disturb mode. But if you want to disable alarms, so you want them to stop ringing when you're in Do Not Disturb mode, you can just tap on the toggle to turn it off. So it's up to you to decide whether you want to enable or you want to disable this option. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.